they're here. So if you ordered the glow-in-the-dark petunias, they're shipping them out now. These are the bioluminescent petunias, and we're gonna do an unboxing just to see how it comes. I ordered 3, and you might not have ordered any because, well, they're probably the most expensive petunias on earth. And I don't blame you if you didn't order them because this is a brand new thing. So let's see what it looks like. They're each in their own box, these 3 different plants. So I find that interesting that they didn't just put them in one box. Light Bio. Live plant. It's the plant you will love the most. Alright. Big old staple on the top. Ooh. We got a nice green plastic sleeve that it's in. That's kind of a cool because it's a glow-in-the-dark plant instead of just a regular clear sleeve. They want that kind of neon green look. Branding. And here it is. A little squish, but it looks like a nice little healthy plant. I got the cardboard horseshoe holding the soil in place. Bioluminescent plants. So they actually generate their own light because of mushroom DNA that has been spliced into them. So here's the 3 plants together. And of course, what's the question going to be? Do they actually glow? So we're going to wait till it gets dark, shut off the lights, and see what we can see. Oh, and I just saw in that last box, there's care instructions. Do you know who you're talking to here? No, this is cool. So yeah, it's going to talk about all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to read through that and see what it likes. And then we'll see if they actually glow.
3, 2.
All right, turning the lights off.
Wow. Oh, yeah. They can glow. Oh, yeah.
Let your eyes adjust. Can you see them?
Yes, they can. Can you see them?
Not with the video, but I can see them with my eyes. Let me try taking a picture. All right, so after our eyes adjusted, you could see them glowing pretty well. There was some light coming off, enough to kind of light up your hands if they were close. The light was concentrated in, especially in buds that hadn't opened yet, and on some of the stems. Like I was noticing strong light along these stems here. The leaves themselves weren't glowing all that much. You could see kind of a faint glow from the open blooms. But they say that as this plant gets healthier and more vibrant, as it's in bigger pots and grows out a little more, it will glow even more because they just came out of boxes today, so they're not going to be glowing super strong just yet.